Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitchison, and today we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin chart, traffic light chart for Bitcoin. We can see here, so traffic light charts is just red, amber, green. Red is for strong support, amber is for the next resistance, and green is close to the local high for it. So for Bitcoin, we're at 42,100 just now. I've just done this video, this is a retake, and Bitcoin was at 42,500. And I said it was going to fall, and it's fallen just now, so it's coming down 41,000. So we've got a strong support here at round about the 40,700 area. So we can see here this has previously been support round back in September. Strong support. It bounced off that about 6 times before it kind of went up to its all-time high. So the same is happening again round about this time, 40,700, strong support there. You can see it was previously at resistance back in May and June time for Bitcoin as well. So we'll see what happens here. With it, we've got the resistance here around about the 50,000 level. We've got resistance before that around about 46,000. So it could be that it comes down to 40,700 or thereabouts, bounces back up to 45,000, hopefully climbs over that and gets to the 50,000 strong resistance area. And then before it goes up to kind of local all-time highs, which is around about 65,000 or 69,000, the actual all-time high instead of local high. So what we'll have to do is just kind of wait for this. It looks as if there's downward pressure just now on Bitcoin to fall to this level. So it's like a magnet. It's just kind of been drawn to that area just now at 40,700. So what we're looking for here is confirmation candles. So if it gets to this area at 40,700 and it kind of stays above that, we want a confirmation candle on the daily of it staying above the 40,700 level. If it does that, strong indication that it could bounce back up to the support area of around about 45 and then above that. But it could be that if it closes down below this line, so if it closes down below here, we've got another support area around about 35,000. Support area around here is really on the weekly. There's been strong support because it's kind of choppy around about here, but that's a support area as well for Bitcoin historically. So that would be the next level of support if it does fall below 40,700, which is not a bad thing. I'm just saying it is what it is. That's what could happen here. So waiting the candle closing, waiting confirmation candle. We have crossed down quite a while ago on the 17th of November on the 721 EMA crossover. That crossed over 62,800. So that was an indication that things were going down for Bitcoin, and it's kind of stayed below that line. So the green line is a 7 EMA, which is the exponential moving average. Red line is a 21 EMA. So I like to use that on the daily to get a more of a macro view, but is much quicker moving than the 50-200 EMA, which a lot of people use as well. I like to use the 721 EMA, which I've done for years now, just to show me where things are going. And it's not been good for a while for Bitcoin, but we're just going to wait on a turnaround. It turned around here back in October as well, with things were looking quite bad at the same time as well. So hopefully it bounces off this level and starts going back up again to the all-time highs, but we'll need to wait and see. But even if it does get to 35,000 or even down to the next support area of 29,000, not necessarily a bad thing. I think it's quite a good thing actually that this could happen as well, because a lot of people are kind of expecting this. So we just want to get it out of the way now. I've been saying this for a few weeks now. We just want to get it out of the way, and then we can start on this kind of bull run that we're kind of expecting. Of course, you have to look at the macro view as well, what's happening overall in the macroeconomics with the kind of stock market, because Bitcoin does follow the stock market. We have to be very aware of that, and the stock market could be falling soon as well. We'll look at that later on as well. At the moment, 42,000 could come down to 40,700. Keep an eye on that level and see if it goes below that, and then start looking at 35,000 area. Okay, that's it for now. Until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.